Things not working out for you over there?
Smashed!
Okay, I'm stressed.
We're running out of time!
I know.
All right, I'm going plating.
You might find a surprise on the bottom.
What kind of surprise? What's going on?
Where are the contestants?
Why'd they put us in these aprons? Game on. You ready?
I'm ready.
Ah! Ooh, Po.
Ooh.
Okay, so we're gonna have 45 minutes to cook. We've got some pumpkin, some pears, chicken stock,
Spring onions is a bit Asian.
blue cheese. On your marks, get set, go! What are you gonna do?
So love another ingredient, just one.
What?
I'm not going to tell you.
I'm just gonna make a pumpkin puree. There's no spices though, so I'd like to spice it, but I'm not gonna, that's okay.
Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. Don't be intimidated, okay? I'm going to do chawanmushi.
Oh my God, that's so clever.
It's usually seen as a restaurant dish, so I just want to show people that it's really easy to do it at home. Actually, in Chinese we call it soy dan, which means watery egg.
You're so quiet, you're like an assassin. Oh man.
There's nothing to see here,
I'm
don't
so
worry about
scared. You're genuinely scaring me. So what you doing?
So I've just mixed the egg with some beautiful stock, a couple of seasonings, basic seasonings, and I'm about to pop that in the oven. How are you going?
I'm making a pear puree, caramelizing some pears. What is that?
That's my chawanmushi. Yeah, Curtis, is this turning out the way you're imagining?
Look, I've got 2 yummy purees, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah. I feel like having a conversation.
I'm too nervous to speak.
Oh, okay.
Do you still get nervous when you do TV, Po?
Yeah, I don't feel like I'm very good at it, so I am always nervous.
Do you really not feel like you're very good at it?
Yeah, I'm a bit of a goon, you know, like I feel very unqualified to be a judge.
Who better to judge than someone that's
Being a contestant?
incredibly qualified,
Oh, thank you.
because you're an incredible cook, and B, someone who's also been in their shoes.
That is true.
How long have we been cooking, by the way? Oh my God, we're getting through this. I've got to get my chicken in the oven. Need a pan. There's
I'm not gonna
breadcrumbs
lie,
in
I'm
there.
kind of enjoying watching you look a bit stressed out. It's ignoring me.
Sorry, I'm creeping onto your side.
No,
How
no,
rude.
I'm good. Hope this cooks on time.
Yep. All right, a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil. I'm going to take my blue cheese chicken Kiev, and let's see what we can do here. I think that's going to melt out and just kind of be a seasoning for the chicken. Oh my God. Po!
What?
We're running out of time.
I know. Still got quite a couple of elements to do.
What are you doing over there? That looks beautiful.
I'm just doing a little turnover.
Oh my
little
God.
pear turnover.
Look how you're crimping that.
Are things not working out for you over there?
Smashed.
What are you doing?
I'm actually going to make a little tempura batter. So I just want some crushed ice, because you got to have it super cold. Is there a set of tongs? Donkey Kongs? Guys, I don't think this oven's on. Doesn't even look like you're trying. Are you even cooking? You're not even breaking a sweat.
I'm telling you, being in the competition makes you make good decisions. Okay, I'm stressed. This is not good.
I thought you looked too calm. As hard as this feels, it's what like a lot of mums do every single night of the week when they come home and look in the fridge, and that's their mystery box.
Yeah, totally.
I'm trying to make a little envelope, a little tarte tatin of spring onions, which I've never
A
done.
little spring onion tatin.
I've never done it. I have no idea if it's going to work.
I'm quite worried.
What about?
My chawanmushi, it's not happening. No, it's not the oven, I don't think.
Uh-oh, we're getting close to our time here.
15 minutes?
Yep, 15 minutes to go. Is there a light?
Yeah, knock on it. Knock on the door. Did the light come on?
Yeah.
Okay, plating.
All right, so I've got some blue cheese, and I'm gonna make little beignets. An attempt to do this in a really hot oil. Okay, so what's on your menu? Chow mushi?
Chow mushi, and if this turns out, a little pear turnover with a balsamic caramel and some cream. Some whipped
yum.
cream. Yeah. How about you?
So I've got a blue cheese chicken kiev with blue cheese beignets,
Yep.
pear and apple sauce, and maybe a spring onion tarte tatin if it cooks in time. And maybe
Okay.
not.
This is me eating humble pie today.
I'm just spinning your tarts because it
Oh,
looks like
thank
they're
you.
finally cooking. Okay, my tarte tatin is ready. I'm going plating.
I'm gonna leave these in here as long as I can. See, this is why he's got 2 stars. Wait a second. I don't believe I saw crumbs in the tray.
Well, I mean, they were down at the bottom. I thought that was probably fair game, no? Nearly there. Nearly, I need some salt.
Okay.
Ah!
Contraband.
Ah! Soy sauce. Naughty, naughty. Okay, hands up.
No.
Nearly.
I just have to do this. And I'm so sorry, I have more contraband. It just helps it along.
She's got a little bag of tricks down there.
I have to put a little bit of sesame on there.
Oh, we did it.
That's amazing, Curtis.
That was stressful.
What's stressful?
Oh, your food looks beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Come on,
so does
swap spots.
yours. Okay, so that's a chow mushi, and you might find another surprise on the bottom.
What kind of surprise?
I don't know, you just have a look.
Oh, it's perfectly cooked. You can smell that contraband. That's prawns.
Yes!
There was no prawns in that box. Some people pull a rabbit out of a hat. You pull a prawn out of a hat. And I'm really glad you did.
Happy with that?
Oh man, that is so tasty. It's like the most gentle, delicate little custard. What do you call this, chef?
I call this a pear turnover.
You mean that pear turnover?
On top?
Sure. Don't cheat me.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh my word, I'm sorry you're not here.
There's no pretty way to eat it.
And this is the proof.
You approve?
So good. Pastry perfectly cooked. Man, that filling, it's not overly sweet, which I love. You haven't put too much sugar in there, so then the caramel actually gets to do its job.
Don't mind me, that's just Curtis Stone loving my food sick. Okay, your turn.
Today I've made for you blue cheese chicken Kiev, so crumbed in panko, blue cheese inside, spring onion tarte tatin, the pumpkins and pears are both roasted and pureed. Go ahead and have a taste. I think you're gonna like it. May I?
Yum! I don't say I dislike blue cheese because when someone does it right, it's delicious. And that is so delicious.
You need a hint of it, right?
Yeah.
I've never made a spring onion tarte tatin ever in my entire. I've never even seen one, but it looks kind of cool.
It looks very cool.
I'm gonna put it on the menu.
That breast is cooked so beautifully. Not that I expect anything else. And those purees, the perfume of the pear is just so subtle and still very savoury. That's an amazing plate of food.
Poe, I think we've still got it.
I think we do. High five.
Nice job. For all of these recipes and lots more, go to coles.com.au. I'm having another bite.